Do you want to know how to create shorts from your long format videos using AI to help grow your YouTube channel? Well, in today's video, I'm going to take you step by step through how to use an AI tool to create shorts from your long format videos that you can then post to YouTube quickly and easily. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Okay, so the first step would be to go to Kuzo.ai to use the app that we're going to use to create our shorts from our long format. And just to let you know, I do have an affiliate link for Kuzo.ai located in the description of this video. So you can easily click on that to get you to the right place faster. Kuzo.ai was previously Video AI. So if you go to video.ai, it will also take you to the same place. As you can see here, their logo changes. So the first thing you can do is you can just get started for free by clicking on this or logging in if you already have an account. So I'll click on get started for free, but it will automatically take me to my account. So once you're in here, you're going to want to generate clips from your long format videos. So you're going to want to put your videos into Kuzo. So to do that, we're going to start right here, create AI clips, get viral clips from long videos. Pretty straightforward. Click on that. Then you're going to enter a YouTube link here from your channel, or you could simply upload your file here as well. So I'm going to go to YouTube and grab a video that I want to make shorts from. So what I recommend if you're doing this for the first time and you already have some videos on your channel, go to your most popular and start making shorts from your most popular videos first. So I'm just going to grab something I haven't done yet. So I'm going to do the stop overthinking one. I'm going to grab the link up here by doing Control C, and then I'm going to paste that in here with Control V. Then I'm going to hit import in order for that to then be imported into Kuzo. Now it's imported and I have a few options here. I need to choose what language I want the captions to be in. So these are the words that are going to be playing across your short so that people can read it as well as listen to it. So I'm going to choose English, but you can go to the drop-down menu and choose whatever you want. So I could say English US 2 or English Global. Since I speak American English, I can put English US to make sure that the translation from what I'm saying to the closed caption is most accurate. Then I'm going to hit generate clips. You may or may not have any options for this, but if you want to remove silence and filler words from the clips that they generate, you want to have this on. I'm not sure if you have options for that in the free version. So that's something you want to make sure is on if you do have access to it. And then you want to also turn on Cut Magic, which helps you change the cuts that it makes in the videos so that you can edit them even further. And this is showing you how many credits it will be using in order for you to do this. And then you just hit generate clips. And then what you're going to see is down here in recent projects, as we scroll down, this is processing this video, right? And then when it's done processing, it will send you an email. So you can leave this screen while it processes because it does take a few minutes to process. You can leave the screen, you can close it out, whatever. It'll send you an email when it's done. And then it'll look like this with this little tag on it that says AI clips. And so you just click open whatever one you're working on. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. And what you're going to get is you're going to get a bunch of shorts that it pulled from this long video, and that hopefully will be something worthwhile that you can post on shorts in YouTube or on TikTok or in Instagram or wherever you want to post. You can also repurpose this on other platforms as well. So how to identify trending videos in your niche. And it gives you a score of how good they think that this video is. And so you can watch the videos over here, hit play and watch them and listen to them. If you like it the way it is, you can simply click here, download, and it will start to download this video. And then from there, you can then go to YouTube and upload it. You can also simply go here and share this video, and you can share it to, if you link an account. So if I link my YouTube channel, I can then just directly share it from Kuzo. However, I don't want to link my accounts to Kuzo. It's nothing against Kuzo. It's just, I feel like the more links I have to other accounts, my channel is more at risk, in my opinion. So I don't link things. I like to add them myself. But if you want to do this and it's like quick, link it and then you can load it from here to YouTube. It's easy peasy. It's one step less. I like to have a little bit more control, so I don't do that. But this is an option, just so you know. However, if you have a clip and you don't like it, you like the majority of it, but you think, oh, there's one piece in there that I want to remove, you can simply go to edit that video. So then we go to edit. And we watch it and we see, okay, it's taking it from this area, but I want it to be a little bit shorter. I don't like this last few words that it says or this last chunk of information. It kind of doesn't relate and it cuts it off. So because AI isn't perfect. So then I can go in here and I can just simply drag this around where I want it to be. So now it will end here. And this is the clip. And I can move this as well. I can change this to be let me just move this over. I can then drag this as well. You can also split things. So let's say I don't want, there's a piece in the middle here I don't want. I can cut it wherever this cursor is. I can cut it with this split tool, this scissor, and then I can move it down a little bit more. And let's just say I want to cut out this piece. So then I split it again, and then I can select this piece and hit delete on my keyboard, or hit the trash can up here. So that's delete selection, or backspace on your keyboard as well. So I'm going to hit delete, and it's going to delete that chunk. Okay, backspace is working better right now than the delete for some reason. Maybe it's because I'm screen recording. Okay, so that's what you can do to modify this, to modify what is in this clip and what you like. If you want to, you can change what font style is coming across the screen when it's playing, what captions you're seeing, to be whatever you want to be. And then you can also edit like the color. So let's say change the color. I want this to be more of my brand color. So maybe blue is more part of my brand, or yellow is part of my brand. So then now it'll play that with the blue words instead of the yellow words. You can also change the font type. So maybe you like something more like this, or this, or this, right? So you can update and change things. You can change the size of it. You can change the bold. Well, some text you can't change the boldness, but you can change if it's underlined, if it's all caps, if it's, not all caps. You can change the location, the alignment of the words, those types of things. And in addition to that, if we get out of the fonts, you can also go up here to templates. So it has like a background around it, viral. You could do modern. There's a bunch of different things that you can choose from, minimal, and see how different they look. And you can choose those. You can also change the size. So portrait is what you would use for shorts, reels, and TikTok. And you can also do portrait split. So it would look like this, and that would show something on top and something on bottom. So this works really well if you're doing an interview and it has two people talking. A lot of the time you could show the two people or different aspects of the screen if there's something that you are splitting. Another thing you can do is you can make it a square. So if you want to post it on Instagram stories or something like that. So that is also something you can do. So once you have it the way you like it, you can then download this, get this clip as it is now with the new modified version. So you could click download here and download. And then you choose playback speed. I want it to play back at normal speed. I want to export at 720. To do 1080, you have to have a paid version. So I'm going to do 720, and I'm going to hit confirm. And then it's going to say filler words won't be removed. You can upgrade if you want to remove filler words. So I'm going to say it's okay, download with filler words. And then it's going to download that clip. It's saying the download is in progress. You can safely leave this page. You will find it in your downloads. So what does that mean? It means if I go back to my homepage, you can click up here to get to your homepage, or you can just simply go back with these arrows. This is your homepage. I can then go to downloads, and I can see what's in progress for downloading. So how to identify trends, videos in your niche, that one is done. And so I can then take that and download it to my computer. This one is still downloading to this area. It will be there soon, and then I'll have the option to download it, or you can share directly to your platform if you have it linked. So I'm going to hit download. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you simply go to your YouTube studio and you add a video. So you can hit create here. You can also create from your channel where I was before as well, but we hit the create tab here. And also look, this is a short that I made from a long format video, and it's ranking 1 out of 10 on my channel. So it really does work, and it works well. It's a quick option if you don't have time to record shorts yourself, and if you just want to add like this extra layer of content on your channel. Okay, so let's upload a video. Then we select the file and we grab how to identify trends in your videos, and then we hit open and it'll upload it. And once it's uploaded, then you can change the title to whatever you want it to be. You can also change the title of the file before you upload it so that this relates to whatever you're talking about. I'm going to look at what vidIQ is recommending for titles. At 92, what's the best way to find trending videos outside YouTube? So I will just use this title, and now it's 92, so that's great. And then what I can do is I can put a little description about this video. I don't tend to put in big descriptions on my shorts. I just put in basically, if you want to work with me, this is how you work with me. So I use it more for that purposes. I don't really put a full description in here with links to all the stuff I usually do in my videos. I just keep it short and sweet. And then you can select a playlist if you want to. I don't usually put these in playlists. And then I'm just going to say, no, I haven't modified anything. You can add tags. So I could add the normal tags that I would add. I could do how to grow your YouTube channel, how to find trending topics for videos, those types of things. I can also just type in new YouTuber. I like to type in my name, so everything's associated with me. If people search my name, YouTube over 40, whatever. You can start to add in more tags here that you want to. You can use the recommended ones from vidIQ. You can also go to ChatGPT and ask for a list of keywords for this topic and your niche, and it'll give you a list and you can pop them in there. And here's some other recommendations because I also have TubeBuddies. So how to grow on YouTube, YouTube video ideas, trending topics, YouTube trends, ideas for YouTube videos, how to use Google Trends to find products to sell, blah, blah, blah. And then you hit next. And since I'm monetized, I need to fill all of this information out. It's none of the above. I submit my rating. And then I go to next and I add a related video. This is really important. So I want to add the main video that this video came from. So this short came from. So I don't remember which one it was now, but you would go through and you would find that video. So you pick on that and add it in, or a video that relates to the topic you're talking about in your shorts if you're not extracting it from a long format video. I'm not going to add subtitles and I'm going to hit next. And I hit next again. And then I just would schedule when I want it to come out. So I can go to schedule, I can look at my calendar, and I'm going to say, I want to post this on the 17th at a certain time. And then I hit schedule. So now this will be going out March 17th. You don't have to worry about thumbnails for shorts. They don't have thumbnails. So that is what you do. And then you hit close. And then if I go into my content and I go into shorts, the shorts tab, because we did a short, I will see that what is the best way to find trending videos outside YouTube is scheduled for March 17th at 12 a.m. and monetization is on. So it is in there and it's ready, locked and loaded to go out soon. And you can pop out many of these. So if I go back to my projects, I don't just take one of the videos, like especially if I do a really long video like this one, I will take maybe, like you can see, I downloaded this one where there's a check mark. It tells you that you have downloaded this clip. So I've downloaded this one and this one for this video. So I took two clips from this one long format video. If I go back to another one, this job list to CEO, I took one clip here, one clip here. It looks like I also took only 2 clips from this. So there you go. From one long format, I have 2 clips. I have taken up to 4 clips from one video if it is like a really long video. If I'm talking about a lot of different topics, it'll just pick out each topic and I can make a video about that as a short. So that's also the beauty of this. It's very quick and you can get them locked and loaded into YouTube very quickly and add it as part of your repertoire to how much you're posting weekly. And just like that, you have a bunch of shorts now to post on YouTube. And if you want to learn how to make thumbnails on YouTube, check out this next video where I walk you step by step through how to make thumbnails with Canva. Thanks, you guys. See you in the next video.